Yo! It's Chris O from down under, Queensland, Gold Coast, Australia. Okay, so what I showed you before was this bathroom. Now what I'm going to be doing is chiseling out that floor waste. I'll chisel that down with a pen. I'll make a square like that, jackhammer it down because this is all concrete floor, and I want to put in a smart waste, so I'll chisel that out with the jackhammer. It was quicker just to cut the skirting tile off because the tiler that did this job, he actually did it properly, except for that shitty shower waste, you know, that shitty cut, oh my god. But he's done everything else fairly well. So trying to take the tiles off the wall for the skirting like that, it doesn't always work, and it's quicker just to cut the sheet, and I'll put that back in 5 minutes, and then my tile goes up to the ceiling. Here it's just a skirting, but I'll make sure it's just a little bit higher, and same in there. Easy peasy. So I'm going to run the grinder over these nails, just cut them off. That I'm going to raise up slightly that shower bed because I'll put a smart waste in, so I need to raise my floor up, mud it, because I don't want to disturb anything there. I'll just waterproof straight over the top and down into the hole, which would be fantastic, so it doesn't disturb anything. So it's cool. I've got to fill in here, but that's nothing. I've got a couple of hours of my work day today, so I'll do one coat of waterproof on the floor, and then on Monday I can just fill that with quickset. After an hour it'll be dry while I'm doing the sheeting, and then I can do my next coat. Easy peasy. And then well, on Monday I want to grout out on the floor there so they can move the furniture, and then I'll come back into here. So I'm working two jobs, two areas at the same time, but it works out well. Alrighty, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next. Bye.